Hello, my name is Dennis, and I'm a software engineer at Terralogic. Welcome to our video on explaining the structure of pyATS script. In pyATS, a script is divided into three main sections: command setup, test case, and command cleanup. Each of these sections can have multiple subsections. Additionally, within the test case container, there are a setup section and a cleanup section, along with one or multiple test functions. In the previous video, we learned how to use the pyATS create project command to create a project template. Let's create a project template using that command. We will name it as a test structure, and we are going to skip the test case setup. Now, let's open the test script and examine its structure. The template already divides our script into three classes. As we discussed earlier in this video, one command setup, one test case container, and one command linkup. I have already written a complete test case, so let's take a closer look at it. In this test case, I will establish a connection to a browser in the command setup step. Then, I will test to obtain the inventory data of that browser. Finally, I will disconnect the device in the command cleanup step. Now, let's run the test case. After running the test case, we can observe the structure of the script. It consists of a command setup and cleanup container with one subsection in each container. Inside the test case container, we have the setup and cleanup section, which intentionally passed because we are needed, and a test for displaying the inventory. This is what a test script in pyATS looks like. In the next video, we will explore the genie parser and try out some example. Thank you for watching.